you and I both want a quick detailer that has it all right. Ideally, gloss, slickness, nice hydrophobics, doesn't mask the existing protection, easy to use, flashes off nicely, of course has a pleasant and awesome fragrance, UV protection. Can we get some anti-static properties to help prevent dust accumulation as much as something that doesn't have that kind of stuff? And just overall, a banger of a product. Well, I'm smiling. Yup, this is the new Clean by Pan Deorganizer Quick Detailer. We put everything in the kitchen sink in there. R&D testing was insane, guys. So you're going to learn everything about it in this video, and you let me know if this is the holy grail of the quick detail sprays. So as the name states, a quick detailer is something that does light to medium cleaning duties and also does protection at the same time, kind of a two-in-one product. So this is great for maintenance. And we formulated this so you can use it as often as you want, every day, every week, every month, after each wash. It doesn't matter. So easy to use. It flashes off nicely. So you're going to learn everything there is to know about it. It's available in a 16-ounce format, 473 milliliters, or in a gallon size, 3.79 liters. So we started off with selling this in the USA on the House of Rags, cleanbypan.com. You're also going to see it on Amazon soon, but of course all our partners internationally as well. So they're going to get them because they place their orders soon, depending on when you're watching this video. We're early June 2025. So this is hot off the press, already available in the US, but coming soon to Canada, the UK, all of Europe, Australia, Brunei, there's going to be Japan, Korea also following suit, and many other countries that we're going to distribute in the future. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. So what is it all about? I know you guys want to dig deep inside this, so come along with me. First of all, the label. We kept the same cool aesthetics. Of course, on the front, you get the pellet here, or the circle, that tells you the color of the liquid that's inside. In most cases, as you're going to see with the interior quick detailer in a future video, that one doesn't have any dye in it, but we still gave the label a color to distinguish it, right? So you can identify it on your shelves. We also listened to feedback from viewers, and you guys wanted to quickly see what it is. So of course, on the front, I keep the naming scheme very simple, right? My products are identified as what they are. So a quick detailer is a quick detailer, but to able to identify it from any angle, on the top here, we added in nice bold letters, quick detailer. So you also see what it is, regardless if it's facing from the back or for the front. We added more detailed instructions, so all the products will be getting updated labels in the next production batches, but starting with the new ones, they already have the updated labels. You're gonna get all the health stuff as well. This is new with all the pictograms, and also like all the Clean by Pan Deorganizer products, you have access to the SDS sheets by scanning the QR code, and it brings you directly to the website. So yeah, I'm super excited. Now, blue in this case. The dye is blue, but also the Clean by Pan Deorganizer lineup is known for its fragrances. They all smell amazing. We work with perfumers. We use food grade dyes and just top premium scents in this one. Well, maybe you guessed it. It smells amazing. It has a fruity vibe. That's because it is the Blue Jolly Rancher scent. Just awesome, but always never overpowering, just this light fragrance that you guys are gonna absolutely love. But more importantly, what is it with this chemistry, right? So the main focus of this one was gloss and slickness. So you're going to tell me, Pan, you already have a ceramic spray sealant. What's the difference? While I see this mosquito off screen here. So what's the difference? Let me grab that off my shelf, because yes, we did launch the ceramic spray sealant when we launched the brand. So what is the difference between both? Does the new one make this one obsolete? Absolutely not. They're two different types of products. So the ceramic spray sealant, this is made for your long-term protection. You're looking at 6+ months and still easy to use. You can use this on a dry surface or on a wet surface, but this is meant for long-term durability. So we're focusing on, durability. Also great resistance to chemicals. The ease of application is still there, but this is not something you'd use all the time. Yes, if you want, every week on a wet surface as a drying aid, you can use this, no problem, but not recommended weekly use on a dry surface, because this is pretty stout. It could start to build on itself and create some streaking and some buildup and all that kind of stuff. So this maybe every other month, or when you see starting the hydrophobics starting to diminish on your paintwork and you want to boost the gloss, the slickness, and the hydrophobics and get something chemically resistant, you grab this. Again, this is the long form of protection. Now, for your weekly use, this is where the quick detailer comes in for your quick detailing needs. Now, this is not meant to be super durable. This is a light form. There's a backbone of ceramic protection in there, but again, not something that's ultra durable. That's not what it was designed to be. This is designed to be used often, right? I wash my car twice weekly. This is a perfect finishing as a drying aid on the wet surface or on a dry surface. If you want to use this as a quick detailer as well, no problem. You can use this both on dry and on wet surfaces. So this, we don't do any durability claims because that's not it's for, but 2, 3, 4 weeks perhaps. This is meant for regular use because it flashes off nicely once again. And the focus on this is more of the gloss and slickness. So whereas the ceramic spray sealant focuses more on long-term durability and resistance to chemicals and self-cleaning properties. So, and it's still glossy and slick. But this one has way more gloss and slickness. This one, we also put in there an UV package, so it's going to protect against the UV rays. So this is a sacrificial layer on top of your existing protection, right? But short term, we also added some anti-static properties. So a lot of people often complain that depending on which product from which brand you're using, some feel to attract some dust and you want to help to repel that. Now, it's impossible to repel 100% of the dust, especially if you live in a dusty environment, but at least this makes a big difference to cut down on that. So again, it has everything in the kitchen sink. So you get the gloss, you get the slickness, you get the UV protection, you get the anti-static properties and all that stuff in a very easy to use package that you can apply on dry or wet and on all the exterior surfaces. So you can use this on paint, on glass, on your plastic trim, on lights, tail lights, your wheels, you name it. You can even use this on PPF. You can use this on vinyl wraps. It doesn't matter. And believe it or not, you can also use this on matte surfaces. So just like the ceramic spray sealant can be used on glass, on glossy or matte surfaces, we kept the same theme because this was very appreciated by professionals and DIYers alike because it's just so versatile. You don't need a matte specific product and then a glossy specific product. So what this does, it won't make a matte surface glossy. It will make it richer in appearance, has that slight darkening effect, also called as jetting. So it beautifies the matte surface without making it glossy. So again, one spray will do it all, regardless which surface you're applying this on the exterior. Smells awesome, very easy to use. Now, if we look at the instructions, I always make sure to have clear instructions for you guys. So you can pause this if you want right now and read them. But basically you have it as a drying aid on a wet surface. So you wash and of course you clean your vehicle. When you're done, always shake the product well before you shake your chemicals. You're going to lightly mist onto your microfiber drying towel. Talking about microfibers, in just a few seconds, I'm going to talk which microfibers I like to use with the quick detail spray, by the way. So you're going to mist your towel and then while the vehicle is still wet, after you're done washing and rinsing it, 1 to 2 sprays on small panels, 3 to 4 sprays on larger panels. You mist that, right? And that should be more than enough, or you can use more if you want. That's for you, but yeah, 1 to 2 sprays on small panels, 3 to 4 spray on larger panels. Then you use your microfiber drying towel, you dry that surface, you move on to the next panel and so on and so forth. Can you use this in direct sunlight? Yes, absolutely, no problems, but work panel per panel. Avoid working, if you can, in direct sunlight or on hot panels, regardless what you're doing in the detailing world. If you're a mobile detailer, of course, you know how to work in those circumstances, but if you're a DIYer, try to work in the shade on a cool surface or in a garage if possible. But yes, you can use this in direct sunlight. Just work panel per panel and be very careful, have a second clean and dry towel to buff off to a streak-free shine, and you should be good to go. So we also made sure to include the instructions because very rarely do we see this, right? I say here, wash the drying towel after use. Why? Regardless of how little or how a lot of protection there is in a product, you get lubricating agents, you get glossing agents, you have some protection sometimes in there where it's UV package or whatever it may be. Those sprays that we're using the towels with, those eventually clog the fibers and they coat them and they make them less absorbent over time. So if you're to reuse the towel and your quick detail sprays or ceramic sprays, all that kind of stuff with never washing them, that's why they become less absorbent. So people think their towels are dead when in actuality, they've only been covered with that detail spray or that ceramic spray or graphene spray, whatever you guys use. So make sure you wash them after each use. One of my favorite microfiber detergents, by the way, is the Detail Co. Renaissance. And a quick disclaimer, no, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing my thoughts because it's just that good. It's a banger of a microfiber detergent. So yeah, wash your towels after each wash. I always do that. And that way they're going to last a long, long time and they keep performing at their peak performance. Then you have the instructions also to use it as a detail spray. That means on a dry surface. So again, you're going to shake before use. Of course, the vehicle has to be clean and dry. You mist on a microfiber towel. You wipe onto the surface one panel at a time. You could mist on the panel if you want to, but sometimes it's best to mist in the towel directly and then go. That way you avoid overspray and potentially forgetting that you had that spray, and it dries, and then it just becomes more of a hassle to kind of figure out. So if you spray on the towel, wipe on the surface, you can take a second clean and dry towel to buff to a streak-free shine if you want, or flip that wet towel to the clean and dry side and then buff off, boom, you're good to go. That's how easy it is. Now this is also perfect to remove a little bit of the bug guts if you're in a pinch and you don't have access to your rinseless wash or a regular shampoo, right, to wash your car. You're somewhere, for example, or you got a bird dropping and you don't want to leave that to cake on the surface because it can start etching through the protection or the clear coat. You can take your quick detailer, you're going to generously mist it on the bird dropping or on that bug gut that you're seeing, let it dwell a bit, and then you take a clean plush microfiber towel and you gently wipe off. So this has enough lubricating agents in there to make sure that you get a good experience. And of course, when you're using this as a drying aid, that's the whole purpose. We use a quick detailer when towel drying a car because we want a buffer between the towel and the paint to reduce chances of scratching and marring the paint when you're towel drying. Because anytime you physically contact your paint, you want great lubrication, right? Remember, when you're using a rinseless wash, those usually have high lubrication. So when you're using your wash media, well, that lubrication helps to prevent marring. When you have a traditional wash method with your shampoo, well, you want great lubrication from your shampoo on the surface, so that way your mitt doesn't do any marring on the surface. So the same applies when you're using a drying aid. Use a quick detail spray like this. You're absolutely going to love the experience. So not only are you reducing the chances of marring, but you're also boosting the gloss and that slickness and adding a bit of sacrificial protection on top of whatever protection you have, right? So you can use this on bare paint with no protection. You can use this on a wax, on a sealant, on a ceramic coating, graphene coating, whatever protection you have. This is universally compatible, and also it will not mask the existing properties of your underlying protection. For example, I love the Clean by Pan, the Organizer ceramic coatings, right? The 3-year is on my girlfriend's car, and you're gonna see videos, depending on when this one launches, of me applying the 8-year to my parents' car, to my brother's car, just trying to apply this on all the vehicles because they're that good, right? But they're so good for the hydrophobic properties and that gloss and that slickness that I don't want anything that can really mask those properties. So this we developed to be able to show whatever's underneath properly and just act as a sacrificial barrier, all while boosting that gloss and that slickness. So yeah, overall guys, it is just so amazing. I can't stop smiling because I know this is already a hot seller. The first day this came out on the House of Rags, they called me up and they're like, Pan, your #1 and #2 seller on the House of Rags is the new quick detailer. And we also have the interior quick detailer. You're going to get that in a separate video. But yeah, so keep again in mind, guys, if you want long-term protection, you get the ceramic coatings, so the coatings in the glass bottles, the Clean by Pan 3-year or 8-year, those are multi-year paint protectants. Then the other option is a ceramic spray sealant. This you can get many, many months of protection. So this you won't use as often as the new quick detailer. So this guy here, a few weeks of protection at best, but focuses more on gloss, slickness, adding lubrication when you're using this as a drying aid, so on and so forth, getting a bit of that UV protection, a bit of that anti-static properties, why not? So it has really everything that we wanted, including an awesome scent. Oh, once again, you guys let me know. You're absolutely gonna love this. So another banger in the Clean by Pan lineup. I know this is gonna be very popular. Grab yours before they fly off the shelves. Many times we sell out of products. I know we try to do our best to stay on track, but we have a bunch of new products in production. We're trying to come back and keep the other products in production and stock as well. But it's all thanks to you guys. You made it such a popular brand. Thank you so much. I can't express how much I'm grateful towards you guys for making my dreams come true and creating more and more products. I don't know what other products you want, but keep in mind, we have coming soon an iron remover, an alkaline shampoo, an acidic shampoo, a water spot remover. There's so many things that we're adding to the lineup and even more surprises to come during the year. So yeah, stay tuned. If you haven't done so yet, check this out. So the quick detailer, let me show you a quick sneak peek of the interior quick detailer. So this is the bottle itself. This one too smells amazing. This one is a clear liquid inside there, so meant for light to medium cleaning duties on the interior of your vehicle. pH neutral, safe on all the surfaces, regardless if it's leather, vinyl, plastics, rubber, wood trim, aluminum trim, gloss black or piano black plastics, your infotainment displays, even glass. This is just nuts. So again, light cleaning duties and protection, has anti-static properties and UV protection. So is that a reminder of the kind of levels that we're expecting? I wanted everything in the kitchen sink inside there for your regular maintenance every week, every other week, or every month for your interior. So check that out. Also available in 16 ounce and gallon size. And the same thing for the quick detailer, 16 ounce format or 473 milliliters, or the gallon size, which is 3.79 liters. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So regardless if you use it on wet or dry, it's just insane. And by the way, drop comments in the comment section. I want to know your feedback, because I know you guys are going to love this. So when you do, please drop a comment, give me some feedback. Again, this is available in the description under the video. I'm going to leave all the links, but you can get this on the House of Rags internationally. You can get this on cleanbypan.com, my own website, and you can also get this on Amazon, more and more of our products. Again, depending on when you're watching this, we started Amazon in May of 2025. But this was a complicated process, a lot more complicated than I thought. We hired a team of 2 people to be able to do this. The House of Rags actually hired those people. They take care of my distribution. So specialists that work with Amazon to set up the Amazon storefronts, and it is pretty complicated. So all the products were received in one of the main Amazon warehouses in the US, and then they have to distribute to all their thousands of warehouses across the nation. So it's going to take some time until everything gets adjusted. That's why you might still be seeing a bit long shipping times. That's because they haven't distributed all the products yet, but eventually they'll get back to where the Amazon Prime shipping is super quick, like 1-2 day shipping, depending on what you have there, as soon as they get readjusted. So yeah, you can get them in a lot of places. By the way, if you shop on the House of Rags for the Clean by Pan Deorganizer stuff, use code PAN, P-A-N. So that's my name, right? Name of my channel. When you check out, you're going to save 10% on your order. And keep in mind, on the House of Rags, when you spend more than 125 USD in the US, you get free shipping. So take advantage of that as well. So guys, again, links in the description. Thanks for your support. Again, drop comments when you try this, share it with friends and family, and get everybody on board, because this is the quick detailer that I've always wanted. Yeah. So again, check all the other videos. I have many tutorials on my channel. You can check out all the Clean by Pan Deorganizer lineup, but other stuff in it. Oh yeah, the towels. Which towels do I like with this before I forget? So on the House of Rags, they're known for their high quality South Korean towels. So one that I like with this to apply on dry paint is the Mr. Twister on the House of Rags. Again, everything will be linked. Just a fantastic towel. It goes super well for the ceramic spray sealant as well. Any spray basically that you're using. When you're doing your rinseless wash method, the new Diva Rinseless Towel Twisted Loop 1200 GSM, fantastic. You get this suede border there, super soft, and it works well. So you can mist the quick detailer on top of the rinseless wash. It's compatible, and you gently clean and dry with the rinseless Diva towel. Talking about Diva, you get the full-blown Diva drying towel. So if you've done the regular wash method, for example, on your vehicle, or you want a much larger towel, this Diva drying towel is amazing. Again, twisted loop towel. And if you want the most absorbent towel that they have, I can't remember exactly how much water it could, Eddie did a demo with this, but this is nuts. This is the GOAT, the greatest of all time towels. It is just insane. Look at this twisted loop, super absorbent. Yeah, it's just nuts. So all these towels work super well with the Clean by Pan, the Organizer Quick Detailer. So in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.